I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn how to factor trinomials. Here we have two excellent examples, and the technique used will be very different in both these examples, and that will actually show you different techniques which we can apply to factor trinomials. The first question here is 8x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x. The next one is 9x squared minus 24xy plus 16y squared. Let's begin with the very first one. Here you can see you can factor x first, that is group factoring. So we could write this trinomial as x times 8x squared plus 2x minus 3. Now we have factored one stage, we have factored x. Now we have a trinomial here whose coefficient is 8 greater than 1. What should we do here? Now we should look for two numbers whose product is 8 times minus 3. That means we're looking for two numbers p and q whose product is minus 24. And when you add them, then you should get 2. So the two numbers could be 6 and 4, where 6 greater number should be positive. So we could write this as this is x here, 8x squared. 2x should be written as 6x minus 4x, right? Minus 3. Now we'll group the first two together. Let me put square brackets for this bracket, right? And between 8x squared and 6x, 2x is a common factor. So if I take 2x common, 8x squared divided by 2x is 4x, right? Here if I divide 6x by 2x, I get 3. So I get plus 3 here. Here we can take minus common these two terms. We get 4x plus 3 as a factor. Now we can take 4x plus 3 as a common factor, right? So let me write this as 4x plus 3. We are left with 2x from the first term minus 1 from the second. So we get factored form, which could be written as x times 4x plus 3 times 2x minus 1. So that is how you can factor such a trinomial. Now let's see the next one. Now here I'm going to follow a different strategy. We have 9x squared minus 24xy plus 16y squared. You will notice that 9x squared is a perfect square. It is 3x whole square, right? 16y squared is also a perfect square. It is 4y whole square. And the center term in between is negative 2 times 3x times 4y, right? Times 4y. That is how the center term is. So whenever we have that kind of a situation, we know it is a perfect square. So it could be factored as 3x minus 4y whole square, right? So that is how you can factor this. This is a perfect square. Now as an exercise, you can expand and check whether it is the factor of the given trinomial or not, right? So that is how perfect squares can be factored. I hope with this you have learned different techniques of factoring trinomials where the coefficient could be 1 or greater than 1. And I hope these help you to factor any trinomial. Thank you and all the best.